We're going to do it from the stop, and I'm going to show you all this view. And in 3, 2, 1. Not the best day to do a 0 to 60 run because it's raining and all I did was spin out. So I did a 13-second 0 to 60. Alright. This is a 2013 Chevy Silverado. It is tuned. It's got a aftermarket muffler on it, a thrush welded muffler, and it's got a K&N cold air intake in it. And when we get up here to the stop sign, we're going to see how fast it goes pulling a trailer, but you can't see it. You might be able to see it like that. Or over here, no. Okay, well, when we get up here to the stop sign,